This exercise is going to focus on loading the hip flexors, which are in the front of the hip, as well as working on some pelvic stability and glute strength. You're going to need a bench as well as a mini loop band. Take your loop band and wrap it around both of your feet to where it's close to your ankle joint. Your heels are going to be contacting the bench. Lie down on your back and place your upper arms on the floor, pushing into the floor. This is going to help activate your lats and keep your upper back nice and stable. Squeeze your glutes to get you into a nice bridge where there is a vertical line from shoulder to hip to foot. Holding this position, you are going to march one foot towards you with the other heel continuing to contact the bench, place it back, and then march the other one towards you. As I'm marching, I am working the hip flexor of the leg pulling up towards my chest, and then in this position, this glute is going to be working the hardest as well as the hamstrings. Perform as many reps as prescribed, and your hip flexors can thank me later.